Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 9, air pollution. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given into the description box. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 2, under the title of grammar, we will learn today compound words and we will cover up page number 70. Before in English for grade 4, we have already learned about in grammar portion nouns and proper nouns and how we can separate them. And also we have learned on page number 32 about compound words. I hope you may remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are break up some common compound words into words they are made of. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mulk, verse number 19, have they not seen the birds above them expanding their wings and contracting them? What is it that withholds them, save the beneficent God? Surely He sees everything. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about Almighty Allah and His attributes, that if we imagine, if we think about the things that are around us, these are giving us a symbol of blessings of Almighty Allah. Even when we see the birds in the sky while flying, so we automatically think that definitely there is a great power that is holding them, and there is two words that withholds. So, and everything. So do you know, my dear students, that why I have circled these words? Yes, these are compound words with holes. Everything. So this is our today's SLO and we are going to cover it. Yes, pre-reading questions are there. What are compound words? Yes, my dear fellow teachers, pause the video, get answer from your students and then come back. Yes, I hope you have done it. Good job. Let's see what are compound words. A compound word is a combination of two or more words that function together to create a new word with a different meaning. Yes, my dear students. What are compound words? Compound words are words and they are made by the combination of two letters or more than two letters. And definitely these combination will give us a different new meaning. And all words that we will combine together, they have meaning itself also. And when they combine, they give us a different sense and a different meaning. These such type of words are called compound words. Yes, my dear students, let's see few examples are there. And these examples are common in our common use, like toothbrush. Toothbrush, there we have break up these common compound words. Toothbrush, this is a separate word, this is a separate word, and when we have compounded, so then it had give us a different meaning. We use toothbrush to clean our teeth. Next is sunflower. This is combination of sun and flower. It is giving us a different sense. It is also a type of a flower. Yes, my dear students. Next is moonlight. That we have combined and we got a different compound word, moonlight. Next is snowman. Snowman. Though there we have combined snow, that separate compound word. This word has its own meaning also, and man, if we segregate it, if we divide that, then also man has a separate word, separate meaning. And when we have compound combination we got together, then it gave us snowman. Yes, grandmother, grandmother, and this is also a compound word. Such type of words are called compound words. Yes, there is another word, my dear students, grasshopper. Grasshopper, we usually see all these on grass. Such type of insects we found on grass. Yes, my dear students, such types of words have their different meaning and they give us a different look and different meaning. So these words are called compound words and we usually face in our daily life also. Yes, my dear students, we will learn through activity. Yes, my dear teachers, have students in pair read aloud a compound word. Student will listen it carefully. You can have them raise their hands when they hear one. One student will break the combination and other partner will make sentence using compound words and get a point. The pair with more points will win at the end. Yes, my dear students, you will get your class in the shape of pairs, two students, and you will read a compound word. One student will break the compound word and the next student will make sentence from this compound word. Perform this activity in your class and enjoy it. Okay, good, excellent job. I hope you have enjoyed a lot and you have gained much knowledge about compound words. So let's move to individual activity. Open your book, page number 70, question number 6. Break the compound words into its two parts. Then write the meaning of the compound words using the parts to describe the whole. One is done for you. You can see this bird house, that first we have to break and then we have to make its sentence. Yes, my dear students, perform this activity individually in your class and then come back. Good job, excellent. Yes, my dear students, so our today homework is write 10 sentences using compound words. Yes, my dear students, you will write 10 sentences using compound words in your notebooks. And yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet and this worksheet is given below. You may click it, download it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what's our wrap up today? We learned about compound words, their formation and how we can break up them. And in this way we have covered up our SLOs, break up some common compound words into words they are made of. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Stay blessed. Allah.